What's up, cool kids? So this is just the first update of my account, my 100K challenge account. I'm trying to grow it to 10x. So I'm trying to get to $1 million. It's going to be very, very hard, especially in these market conditions. So I've been waiting to catch the best setups, and I think I have a couple setups coming. I was kind of itching to take a trade today, but I kind of sat on my hands because we have a bigger play at hand that may be happening for Bitcoin. And if this happens, this will give me a clear direction of a market move. So let's jump into it and see what I'm looking at in order to start my first trade. I haven't even touched the account yet. I haven't opened the account. So we do still have that. I haven't taken no trades. So we're going to document this whole journey. So right now, what I'm looking at for Bitcoin is this. I'm on the hour time frame. I'm looking at this symmetrical triangle. So we are coming from a downtrend. You see, we've been coming down. We've been down for a while, for a few months now, probably since the end of December. And now it's looking like we were trying to make some sort of move back above the 200-day moving average, this red line here. We're getting rejected. We do have some confluence coming in. For resistance, we have one of my favorite moving averages, the 20-day modified moving average. Of course, like I said, we have the 200-day moving average, and then we have this downward sloping trend line that is forming this symmetrical triangle. We have the upward sloping trend line. So it's been respecting. You see, we came up, came down. I use that as support, use that as support again, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, and now it looks like we're using it as support one more time. So this is going to break out tomorrow. This is going to break out sometime tomorrow. So we'll be looking at this, and this will dictate the overall trajectory of the actual crypto market, or the whole crypto market. Equities did, they were green. Now they're in, the futures are red right now, but equities were green over the day. So I have a measured move of what I would look for if we did break out. So I took we have the red one here. So I just measured it from the top of the base to the bottom of the base of the triangle, and then I moved this here, and it's coming in perfect, perfect harmony with this upper sloping trend line, our macro upper sloping trend line coming in at about 76K. And then we have our bullish scenario where we're coming in at the top here at about 92K, which is the bottom of our huge range that we were in the 92 to 106K area. So that's what I'll be looking at. This is let's actually make a zoomed out. So I'm really looking at this larger symmetrical triangle at play. So this is what I was talking about, this line here. This line goes all the way back from 2023 here, all the way up. We had a bounce there, had another bounce here at the beginning of September of 2024, and then we came back down again a couple of days, what was that, last week. So now we're going to figure out what we're going to do, because we're almost at the apex of this huge pattern as well. So we have the smaller one, and then we have the bigger one, and the smaller one will dictate if we go up and use this, see if we're going to use this as resistance or break out and continue our bull market, which a lot of people are saying is over. And then the bottom is going to, if we become bearish, then we're going to use this as, see if we can come down and use this as support. And if we don't, then I think that'll be starting to enter a bear market. A lot of these altcoins are already in a bear market. So that will dictate what I'm going to do in the immediate short term. I'm just keeping keeping everybody updated. I haven't taken any trades yet. I'm possibly going to start looking for some entries tomorrow once this resolves, and then we'll go from there, man. So wish me luck, man. I will be, if I can complete at least 25, 30, 50% of this, then I will be giving some back to the community. That's what really one of my aims that I want to do. I want to be one of those guys who always gives back, always, as long as I'm making profits, I want to give back to the community, especially everybody who's been supporting me from day one. So the challenge has started, not officially because we haven't taken any trades, but we are looking at some trades possibly to take tomorrow, and we'll probably open maybe 2 or 3, because if Bitcoin, whatever Bitcoin does, then we're going to look at some altcoins and we'll get some proxy plays, off that Bitcoin move. I'm looking at SUI here. Let me go back. We're looking at Ondo. We're looking at an Ondo trade possibly to get back above this 85 cent. Really want to get back above this downward sloping trend line, but that's going to be, that's going to take some time. That's going to be Bitcoin potentially getting back up to that 92K area. So I think that's going to tell me a lot. So Bitcoin, like I said, if Bitcoin breaks out of that symmetrical triangle, within the next 24 hours, I can take this trade all the way up to what, $1.09, somewhere around there. These altcoins are going to move, and they're going to move very violently if Bitcoin does break out of that symmetrical triangle to the upside and to the downside. If it breaks down to the downside, then these coins are going to move down. So that's why I'm waiting and sitting on my hands to see what's going to happen, because I think it'll be a clear move once we get a breakdown, retest, breakout, retest, whatever it is. We'll get a clear move. We have SUI looking like it's coming to the apex of its triangle as well here. So it's a lot of setups. This is actually gonna potentially make a move soon. We have the 20-day modified moving average coming in. So we have a lot of resistance coming in for SUI as well. But I like SUI as well when it comes to trading. When Bitcoin moves, it moves very well. When Bitcoin moves, in either direction, it'll just move. So if Bitcoin moves 2-3%, SUI will probably move 6, 7, 8%. So I'm looking for those plays as well. But Bitcoin is going to be my North Star to let me know what I want to do and how I'm going to trade this market. So we are coming up to, let's actually go back to the hourly. So we're coming up, we're almost, it's decision time. Like I said, it's definitely decision time coming up. We need to make a decision very soon. So probably tomorrow morning, we'll make some sort of decision, see what this market wants to do. And if not, we might get some fake outs. Let's see, we might get something, we might get a fake out, reclaim, come up, something like that. Or, we might get something where we come up, fake out up here, come back in, fake out, head and shoulders back down. Like, we can't predict what's going to happen, but we definitely are going to be prepared for a lot of different scenarios and just act accordingly. Traders, as opposed to, trying to front run moves. Because like I said, this is a 100K account. I'm trying to baby step it. I'm trying to take, I don't care how many trades I have to take. Of course, I want to hit some home runs, but we're going to definitely do a lot of base hits when it comes to this account. And I do have another 10K valuation that I'm trying to pass, but I'm really just trying to pass that, just for everyday money. Like if I can make $50 to $100 a day on that, then that's just spending money, extra spending money for that. So we'll be doing that as well, just taking a few small scalps here and there on that account as well. So this is FD White. Make sure I will put, if you want to trade along with me on Breakout platform, I will put a discount code in the pinned comment. Make sure you guys use that discount code. I think it's like 2% or something like that, but it's better than nothing, So if you guys want to get an evaluation, try to get a funded account, I will put that in the pinned comments. And yeah, we'll see tomorrow, man. Give me some good sleep and get ready to start the day tomorrow. Get ready to start the trading day tomorrow. Hopefully we can get some massive moves, hopefully to the upside, but even if it's to the downside, we'll take advantage. So this is FD White. I'll talk to you in a minute. Peace.